I just wanted to give you a little help with logging into SignUp Genius. When I tried it the first time, it was very stressful and confusing to me. So then when I figured it out, I figured I could maybe help other people avoid that stress. So just going to give you this brief video to show you the easiest way to do it. So of course, if you haven't created a sign up, you have to create a sign up. But I already did. So I'm going to just log in um, with my email. When you are, if you are still signing up, you are going to be asked to provide some information, and I'll show you what that looks like. The the information you basically are going to give during sign up is this profile part here. So it's going to ask you these things here. I don't know what is the official word on what we should put here, but I figured Lynn Classical High School works. And I put my role of teacher in an education setting in public school, K to 12, and organization of 1,000 or more. That's really all you have to do on the sign up. You do have to check your email to get a confirmation, your school email, if you use that as your email, which you should. And then you're all set. So anyway, when we're signed in, there's going to be this button called Create a Sign Up. And so I'm going to make my sign up called Conferences with Tobacco. And my group is the history department. That's what I put in when I signed up. And my category will just be, I think I'll just put scheduling, and I will put, there should be an education button. Yep. And with these designs, they're all very nice, but you cannot get most of them because they are part of the paid version. So I'm going to pick a free version. This Autumn Forest one looks nice. So that's what my invitation will look like. I'm going to save and continue. Now, this is the part where it can get a little bit crazy. So when you want to create your time slots for your remote, for your family engagement time, and for 6 to 8 p.m. on the 10th of December. So what you're going to do is go to add dates, go to add time slots, and then pick the first day that you're going to do. I'm going to choose to do the parent teacher night first because that's what everyone is doing the same. So here's just that one day, Thursday. The time is from 6 to 8 p.m. And we wanted to schedule time slots with teachers, with parents and families. So I don't know which exact time increment would be best, but I think that probably 10 minutes would be good. So every 10 minutes, this means it's going to create time slots for me. The location here, you can put in a Zoom link, I believe, right here. Someone mentioned something about needing the meeting ID, but what I'm going to do is I'm going to use the Zoom that I set up for this. So I'm going to go to zoom.us, go to my account, go to my meetings, and I should have already scheduled one for this. Nope, I did not schedule one, so I'm going to make one. Schedule this meeting, and I'm going to call it Teacher Conferences with Parents, Guardians. And you don't really need to put a date on here, but I'll put on the 9th because that's when my first one of these meetings is going to be. We don't need to click anything else pretty much, and just make it a couple hours long, just in case. We don't want to have a passcode. And we'll just let it generate automatically here. We do want to have a waiting room just in case. And everything else you should make sure you leave on, except for this require authentication. You do not want to have that because parents and families will be coming on without school emails. So make sure you turn this off, or you're not going to be able to get parents you're not going to be able to get parents at all. So I click save. Now I'm going to take this link here, and I'm going to highlight it, and I'm going to copy it, and I'm going to put it in here. And now it's going to create 12 time slots for that day. This is for open house on the 10th from 6 to 8 every 10 minutes. Add the time slots, and now it's created all of those meetings. I'm going to click save and continue. And it's going to tell me here that you need to add a slot for your sign up to proceed. So what you need to do is, on this side here, you need to go to add slots. And we should do this. We should just call it a meeting. And we want one slot for each date. And it's created multiple meetings for that date. So you just leave this the way it is. Don't touch anything. You don't have to touch anything. Just leave one in all dates, and we'll go to save. Okay, so now you have, I know this is very complicated looking, but now you have a meeting for each time, 6 to 6:10, 6:10 to 6:20, et cetera, et cetera. So we'll save and continue now, and it should be successful. So now it's going to see what it'll ask for participants for. It asks for their name, for their email. You definitely want to have that required. A comment, you could add more, like a custom question is student's name. I think that would be a good thing to have and make it required, so you know who the child of this person is. We'll click save. Oops. Oh, we can't have a apostrophe. Student name. Okay, and then I think everything else we can just leave. The notifications, we want to leave these so we have notifications coming to us and to the people that are signing up with us. We'll save and continue. And now we can publish this, and when we click publish, this is the link that you're going to want to put into your message to your families. So you could embed it in Schoology. I'm just going to take this link and copy. It says use the following link to share your page, or choose an option below, etc. So I'm going to click copy link, and to get started, I'm just going to send it in Schoology, let's say to my A period. I do want to send this to all people in all my classes. There is a way you can post that, and I can show you that in a second. But today I just want to send it to I'm going to send it to all members, so parents and kids get it. And I'm going to say open house 12/10 signups. Okay, and please follow the link to sign up for a meeting if you would like to discuss your students' progress. Thank you, and I look forward to seeing you. If you cannot make it, I'm going to also add, if you cannot make any of these times, I will be sending out additional times during the day for me, it's going to be Wednesday and Thursday because I have FAPE on Monday and Tuesday. So I'm going to send this to them with the link in it. I can use the link attachment here. It's nice and convenient. Sign up with Res Tobacco. attach it. Sometimes I also put the link right in the message because people don't always recognize that they need to click that. So I sent that out to my A period, and that's all I need to do. And then when parents start signing up, I'll get some kind of notification in here. I haven't gotten that far, so I don't really know what to tell you to expect. But it will come to you somehow. And so I'm just going to go back and do that for each day. Same thing I just did for my family engagement time on Wednesday and Thursday for me, although people are supposed to do it Monday and Wednesday. Just some of us have that FAPE training on Monday, so we have to switch days. So that is really, I think, all you need to do to set it up, and it's the easiest way as far as I can tell. I'm sure there's other ways, and I'd love to hear about those. If you have any questions, I think I understand this now, so I'd be happy to help. Good luck.